also had, where is it?
I like that royal bag.
I know. I like pink.
Okay, and you know, I should have something very important written here, but instead what I have is a letter that I wrote to my mom when I was about 10. Okay, and it's in my handwriting on this faded paper, right? And it says, "Dear Mommy," dated May 10th, 1950. I wasn't even 10, I was 8. "Do you remember the time when you got after me about washing dishes? Well, it is settled now, and I don't think you will have any trouble out of me now. I love you because you are so sweet and nice to me. Many a time you have gotten what I wanted. I'll see you soon. Goodbye." Love you. Must have been at camp or something. I don't know where I was. But here's your letter.
Oh, that is beautiful.